Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to merge cells in Google Sheets. Open up your Google Sheets in your web browser. Now to merge cells together, now let's try merging cells E and F together. You select the cells you want to merge. It could be a row or a colon. So let's try merging a colon together. Now you can either click on the merge icon here to merge the cells, or you click on the format tab, then you select merge cells. In the drop down that appears, you select the cells you want to merge. Since I'm merging it vertically, you select vertically. You could decide to select it to merge horizontally too. Now you can see the difference that these cells have been merged. Now you can write whatever you want to on it. Let's try merging a row. You select the row you want to merge, then you click on the merge cells and you select to merge horizontally. Now your cells or your rows have been merged. You can type whatever it is you want on it. So guys, that is how you merge cells in Google Sheets. Hope this video helps you out. Please like and subscribe to the channel for more of this. Bye guys, see you in the next video.